I've attached each actuator to the legs using a U-bolt at the top and two closer to the bottom. The two bottom ones just keep the actuator straight on the leg, and the top one is the one that actually supports the weight by sitting underneath the desk and on top of the actuator. The wood supports I added just because the legs aren't that strong, so when it's fully up at the top level, it's a bit wobbly without those. The power for the system comes from a 24 volt 4.8 amp linear power supply. The relay board is used to control the actual actuators to lift them or lower them. The control of the system comes from an Arduino that I built onto a perf board. It has on it an accelerometer to the left that I use for leveling the desk. And this piece right here is a switching voltage regulator that is adjustable, and it takes the 24 volts down to 5 volts for the Arduino to run. I have a speaker plugged into the Arduino that pretty much just gives me some feedback as to what's going on since there's no display. So here is the 3-button control panel. The left button is used to lower the desk, the center button is used when I want to level the desk, and the right button is used to raise the desk. For the raise and lower buttons, if you press and hold it for 3 seconds, you'll hear a beep out of that speaker, and then it will continue in the direction of the button press until either you press the button or 90 seconds have elapsed. And the 90 seconds is just enough time to either fully lift or fully lower it. And it's safe to go beyond the amount of time it actually takes because the actuators stop themselves when they reach the end of their stroke anyway. The center button is used to level the desk. If you quickly press it, it will set your level values. You would use this when it's sitting on the floor at the level you like to set baseline values. When you press and hold it for 3 seconds, you'll hear a beep, and then it will go through a leveling routine which will move the actuators up or down to make the current levels match the ones you have set previously.